Eggs are a very good source of high-quality protein, vitamin B2, B6, B12, D, selenium, and minerals, such as zinc, iron, and copper. But there's a lot more than meets the eye with eggs. You can play with them and do some magic tricks. Are you watching this Crafty Hackers video for the first time? Make sure you like it and subscribe for more. Now, let's check it out. Colorful MENTOS volcanoes. Crack a hole in the egg about the size of a MENTOS and empty its contents in a bowl. Let's make 3 MENTOS volcanoes. Red, blue, and green. Pour in some 7-Up and enjoy the spectacle. Eggy orb. If you're a Harry Potter fan, this one's for you. Work some magic with your wand. Practice the dizzy spell on that poor little egg. Eggshell candles. Got a romantic night lined up? We've got you covered. Insert tiny candles in hollowed-out eggs and fire it up.
Are you ready?
Egg in a bottle. For this hack, you need to hard-boil an egg. Now, try to put it in a bottle. Of course it won't work, it's too tight. But there's always a solution to any problem. Light up a piece of paper and throw it in the bottle. Abracadabra! You've just performed a magic trick. Spinners and eggs. Fidget spinners are all the rage now. With hard-boiled eggs and a glue gun, you can make your own carousel.
Are you ready?
Zigzag cut. You like your breakfast a la mode? Cut some grape tomatoes for decoration and do the zigzag. Non-slip egg. Want your eggs to stay where you put it without worrying about cleaning the mess of broken eggs? Easy! Sprinkle some salt on the table and place the egg on it. That's it for amazing tricks with eggs! Which one of these hacks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments! As always, thanks for watching, and until next time!